ASEC team were much more organized, and they took their chances. And then there were also lapses in our defense, which I think has cost us so much. Yes, I'm here because ASEC team in all the three departments, on defense, midfield, and attack, they were moving well and almost pushing into half, and in our defense to then settle in turn and we take advantage. Crying is normal in the game. You win, you cry. You lose, you cry. So let them cry. Then they should keep crying at the point. By the time we get to our hotels, they'll be okay. So we allow them to keep crying, and then wear off the what do you call it, the sadness in them. Then we prepare them psychologically for the next game, which is also we can play for pride to get a third place. It's also something that is not bad. However, the better team will win and represent Wafubi. You play with a team that was well organized, and they frustrate you, to deny you to play a game. And when you don't have creative players at a point, this is how we are going to face the challenges, because many of our players were not creative enough, and they played certain pattern which really broke our midfield and then our defense line. Thank you. We wanted to play a high pressing game up front, and Victoria, yes, she was thorn on the flesh of the opponent net. She lacked a lot of endurance in terms of drawing back to support the defense or the midfield. She was always high up without dropping, and we realized that today's game, ASEC team, they attack and at the same time they defend. So we need a player that can go high up and at the same time drop to the middle or in defense to support. That was the reason why we brought her in. But even top-notch goalkeeper scramble. At a point, almost conceded goals they play. But we now depend on lapses never back, because we share some of the goals now, like I said, especially the third goal. Koya was the third goal, yeah. And then also one of the goals, I think that the goalkeeper was impeded. Was it second goal, yeah. And then the third goal also, the goalkeeper no impeded. And I was thinking that the referee would have protected the goalkeeper, but unfortunately, the referee not protected the goalkeeper. And lo and behold, my own team take advantage of share. And penalties should get it come out via it has to be saved and salvation. And team I'm very forced on goalkeeper by from the but unfortunately, or concede many goals in there.